Oh, look at this thing. So cool. Oh, look at that Toyota. Bro. I actually ordered 2 of them. Only one came, but oh shit, this is sick. This little bad boy saved my skin. Got my hand into the little gap here and was able to get into the to here. So now we've got to get from here to an airbox, from the airbox to this. Alright, with the airbox now refitted, we need to work on this piece. So, the plan is going to be cut the sort of bottom of this, tack weld onto this outer rim that is going to seat itself on that. Have a bit of flashing, don't know how I'm going to go, we'll see what happens. Try to see what I've done here, wrap it around, size it up. Okay, so my welding effort is, I'm not even going to show it to you, it's so bad. But we have a new contender for how we're going to build this airbox. Check this shit out. Plumbing pipe, a bit of foam, and that will sit really nicely. So, how do we get those two? Well, I figured this, oh Jesus, this here, I reckon if I cut it down as it expands, will be good. All right, that is cut down and it is sitting pretty high still. All right, this is cut. Get that in there, something looking like that. Lovely. We'll paint it black and you won't even know. We've got some foam from Bunnings. I'm thinking this will work. This is going to create a seal downwards when we put compression on this. This here is going to go into there and it's offset. So hopefully what happens is like that. That's awesome. All right, so we've got a nice airtight seal here. I've got another bit of rubber line up here, so that's a nice airtight seal. It's pretty in there. It's probably a little bit loose. Look, it's not perfect, but this is a temporary solution until the full airbox system gets set up. But I reckon that's it, mate. Fire it up quickly and see if we can't get some suction out of that snorkel. Yeah, it seems to be working. I don't really have anything to check it with. Oh yeah, hang on. Anyway, that's it. It's all done. Airbox is in, snorkel's in. I don't think it's airtight, but that's all right. We'll work all that out another time. But I'm not sucking in engine bay air now, which is really good. So I'm going to run this for a little while and get some real numbers fuel-wise, and then we'll take this thing to a dyno and get a after shot finally of the Holley Sniper EFI install. This is the last episode. Thanks so much to everyone who's watched this. This has been a real challenge for me, and now I'm a dumbass and I'm thinking of turbo in this bloody engine. Alright, so maybe I haven't driven this thing in a minute, but now that I've got the airbox on, man, this thing feels like it actually goes. Like it actually goes, bro. Like, I feel like and it sounds good. It feels like it sounds really good. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, let's go. You know, I said, oh, great, this will be really good. Car's running really well. Did not have the sump bolts done up tight enough. I have got fucking oil everywhere. How lucky is that? If you want to see me turbo this engine, please let me know in the comments. I think it'll be amazing to see what this thing does with a turbo on it. We had 58 kilowatts to start with. I reckon we could get this thing close to 100 with a turbo. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later. We'll talk soon. Bye.